It is. My name is Julie came back for another video. I think I messed up the intro, but
hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you right now. I don't know the name of the thing we're eating. What was it called? Caramel Cannonball?
Yep.
Okay, maybe I do remember.
Cannonball.
All right, look. So we got to get on this. It's melting. It's hot in Alabama. Believe it or not, it's hot. So look, we've been to Dairy Queen.
Honestly, I want to do that tip thing, but it scares me.
No, don't do it. It'll fall out. So yeah, they turn these things over every time. It scares me to death.
What is it? What? How?
I don't know. I don't understand it. Maybe somebody from Dairy Queen can tell us. They can tell us and explain to us why we got to see it upside down. But anyway, we got the Caramel Cannonball, which is part of their new summer release. I think this is the, and I may be wrong. If it is, I'll correct myself. But I think this is the Blizzard of the month of June. Wait, is it May or June?
It's
anyway,
May.
Maybe
it's May 31st.
Maybe it's May. I don't know. Anyway, so I don't know what's in this thing. It's called a Caramel Cannonball, so I'm assuming it's got caramel in it. I hope it has no nuts in it, because if it does, he's going to probably die on camera.
Can we look it up right now? Can you stop recording? I don't feel safe doing this.
All right, we're gonna be back in just a second.
We're
back.
We're currently looking up.
All right, so we're looking up the Caramel Cannonball. It has caramel coated caramel truffles, toffee pieces, and caramel topping. Allergens. We got a small. Milk, soy, and wheat. We're safe.
Woo!
All right, let's eat this thing, Huddy.
Okay.
We are safe. We had to look that up. We didn't want to kill Hudson on camera, even though we figured we'd probably get monetized if we did.
Goodness.
All right, so what did I say was in this thing? Caramel coated truffles, toffee pieces, and caramel topping, blended with our world famous vanilla soft serve ice cream to a Blizzard perfection.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
So this is kind of melted in the Alabama heat, plus we had to look it up. But my word, it is rich. So
This is so good.
So I love caramel. I love toffee. I love chocolate. I love vanilla ice cream. This thing is unbelievably good. My word. Well, I'm going to tell you, it is extremely rich. Would you agree?
Yep. So if you're watching this video, I wouldn't get this.
You don't like rich foods?
Oh.
He eats squirrel. Asher eats squirrel and duck heart. This is really good. It's not much to look at. I'm dripping it all over the counter. Hudson. My goodness. All right. I mean, really, do you want to eat anymore? It's got a lot of caramel in it. I'm losing my glasses. I got a haircut, can you tell? I got a perm, too. I'm just kidding. Hudson needs a haircut. I'm sick of watching him flip his hair to the side.
I have to. Or it's like this.
That looks good. Dairy Queen, my goodness. This is a great showing by Dairy Queen.
Keep it going.
You know, some of our most watched videos are actually Dairy Queen Blizzard videos. You know what our most watched video, though, is?
The pizza.
Hellman's ketchup.
Oh, yeah, you told me that.
Makes no sense, but if you Google Hellman's ketchup reviews, we come up. And guess what? We're about to do another ketchup review if I can find the ketchup I'm looking for. Alright, guys. This is amazing. I mean, we can give it a score, but I know what I'm giving it. Hudson, what do you give the Caramel Cannonball, which I think is a limited time only, but I'm just as good. It's so good, I think this is not going away. Or if it goes away, they're bringing it back, and it won't go away the second time.
5 all day.
This is a 5. I'd give it a 10 if I could. Man, if you like caramel, What else did I say was in it? Some kind of truffle. Okay, caramel, truffle, and toffee. If you like caramel and toffee, which I love.
I got it stuck on my teeth.
This is good. 5. We ain't given a 5 lately.
Oh.
Have we? Yeah.
Oh, we gave that.
You gave those cookies a 5.
And the popcorn.
You throwing 5s out like crazy. I haven't been giving them out though. God, go get this. I don't know what to say.
Oh, it's so good.
You got an ice cream headache?
No, I have caramel stuck in both sides of my teeth.
All right, so we're fixing to take Hudson to the dentist and get his teeth taken out. You know, that's pretty normal in Alabama, isn't it?
Sure.
All right, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Get your grandma to sign up. Whatever. Get your friends. Hudson, why are your friends not signed up?
People in my class are.
All right, we need more people. So we got to get to 1,000.
Shout out to Lewis in my class.
Yeah.
Comments on our videos.
Shout out to everybody. We love comments, by the way. Comment all you want. We even had some negative comments, and you know what? I thrive on negative.
Oh, the trolls or whatever.
Yeah, I've got this stuff in my beard, and I'm getting it on my laptop, so we got to shut this. We got to shut this off. All right, thanks for watching so far.
For Huddy.
And the Chili King. Thank you, Dairy Queen. This thing is amazing.
We are at 85,000.
Bye.